What if you could build real wealth without even thinking about it? What if a few spare dollars from your coffee run or lunch order could grow into thousands over a decade? We all have these small, seemingly insignificant expenses. The $3.50 for a latte, the $12 for a quick lunch. Individually, they don't seem like much, but they add up. Acorns takes this simple concept and turns it into a powerful wealth-building engine. Think of it like this: every time you spend money on your linked card, Acorns rounds up the spare change to the nearest dollar and invests it for you. A $4.25 purchase becomes a 75-cent investment. A $9.50 meal becomes a 50-cent investment. It's a frictionless, almost invisible way to start your investment journey. And the real magic happens when you let time do the heavy lifting. Let's look at a hypothetical scenario. Say you're averaging $2 a day in roundups. It doesn't sound like a lot, right? That's just $60 a month. But over 10 years, that adds up to $7,200 in invested capital. Now, let's add in the power of compound returns. Assuming a modest 8% annual return, that $7,200 could grow to over $11,000. That's nearly a 50% return on your total contributions, and you barely had to lift a finger. But Acorns isn't just about roundups. You can also set up recurring investments, like $5 or $10 a week, or even more if you're feeling ambitious. Let's say you decide to add an extra $5 a week. That's another $2,600 over 10 years, but with that same 8% return, your total balance could be closer to $18,000. These small, consistent actions create momentum, turning spare change into significant savings. And the best part is, Acorns makes it easy. You don't have to be a stock market guru. Their portfolios are diversified and automatically rebalanced, so you're always invested in a mix of assets that's right for you. It's an accessible entry point for anyone who has ever felt intimidated by investing. The journey of building wealth isn't about getting rich quick. It's about consistency and discipline. It's about harnessing the power of time and small, consistent actions. Acorns provides the perfect tool to do just that. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-slowly and sustainably approach to building your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.